Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish from paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need one square sheet of paper. About 6x6 inches is a good starting size. Pick a paper with a fun color or pattern to make your fish unique. Also, make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on. This will help you make crisp, accurate folds as we go through the steps together. Now, let's create the basic shape. Start by folding your square paper diagonally in both directions, making an X crease. Then, fold it in half horizontally and vertically, unfolding each time. These creases are important guides. Next, bring the side corners inward, using the creases to flatten the paper into a smaller square base. This is a fundamental origami fold. With your square base ready, we'll start shaping the fish body. Take the bottom corners of the top layer and fold them upwards, aligning them with the top point. Do this on both sides. Now, flip your paper over and repeat these exact same folds on the other side. This creates a symmetrical shape. Then, gently open the bottom of the shape and flatten it, forming a diamond. Finally, let's add the tail and some finishing touches. Take the side flaps of your diamond shape and fold them outwards to form the tail fins. You can then make small inward folds on these fins to give them more definition and a realistic look. Once your folds are complete, grab some markers or colored pencils. Draw eyes, scales, or any other details to truly personalize your paper fish. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.